Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see exercise 10.3's question number 8 to question number 12 of class 6th. Its question number 8 is a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So floor, it means the inside the room where floor measurement length is 5 meter and the breadth is 4 meter. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So firstly you have to see in the figure what the question is telling us. Question is telling us you have a floor whose length is 5 meter and the breadth is 4 meter. This measurement of floor we have to carpet of the square. We have to lay the carpet of the measurement of the shape of the square whose each side is 3 meter. Like this way. Here the carpet will be there. So 3 meter and 3 meter will be here. So question is asking how much the area is not carpeted. So this we have to find. So what we will do, simply firstly we will take out the area of the floor and then we will take out the area of the carpet. Total floor area will subtract the area of carpet. Let's begin. So here we have the solution. Area of floor is length into breadth. So length is 5 and breadth is 4. So 5 4s are 20. Unit will be meter square. Okay. Then the area of carpet. Carpet shape is square. So side into side is the formula of area of square. So 3 into 3 will be 9 meter square. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. That's why it is equal to area of floor minus area of carpet. Area of floor we seen 20 meter square and the area of carpet is 9 meter square, which will give us 11 meter square. That is the area of floor that is not carpeted. Now we have question number 9 is 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter. Okay. So what we have? We have 5 numbers of square flower beds. So square flower beds is there and their quantity are 5. So in the number of square beds we have 5 and each are having the side of 1 meter. So here is 1 meter, here is 1 meter. They all are in the shape of square, okay, having the side 1 meter each, are dug on the piece of land. They all are dug on the piece of land who is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So where they are digging? They are digging in the land who is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay, so what we have to find? What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, when the all number of 5 square bed will dug inside the piece of land, what will be the remaining part? What will be the remaining land? That we have to find. So simply what we will do, like the previous question, simply firstly we will take out the total area of the land, okay, which is 5 into 4. Then we will take out the area of each square bed. So firstly we will take out the area of first, then after that we will take out the area of all 5 together. Then total will subtract area of 5 flower beds and we will take out our answer. Let's see. Now the solution is area of land is length into breadth. Length is 5 meter and the breadth is 4 meter. So 5 4s are 20 meter square. Now we will take out the first flower bed area, which is area of first flower bed is side into side 1 meter is the side of each measurement, so 1 into 1 will be 1 meter square. Okay, so this first kind of the flower bed, we have same exactly 5 size of bed. That's why area of 5 flower bed is equal to 5 multiplied by area of 1 flower bed, and the area of 1 flower bed is 1, so 5 will multiply by 1, so 5 1 is 5 meter square. So now we have to find out the remaining part of the land, which is equal to total area minus area of 5 flower bed. So total area that we seen is 20. So 20 will subtract the area of 5 flower bed. Okay, so 20 minus 5 is 15, and it will be unit is having meter square. So area of the remaining part which is not covered by the flower bed is 15 meter square. Question number 10 is, by splitting the following figures into rectangles. Okay, in which form we have to split the figures into rectangles. Find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Okay, so you can see we have a figure which is not exactly a square and not exactly a rectangle. Firstly, we have to split this figure into the form of rectangles. Okay, so you can see how many way we can split this figure. You can also do by yourself. Okay, so I am firstly splitting this figure from here. Okay, so this is our first rectangle. Okay, same exactly I am splitting it from here, from the corner. This will be second. Okay, and if I am splitting from here, here we have third, and here we have fourth rectangle. Now the first thing that is, what is the side of where we had been splitted the figure. You seen here we split it, so this is exactly opposite of 3, so length of this side is 3. Okay, now this all side, this completely 3 and 4 centimeter is exactly opposite to this. Okay, 3 and 4 is together is 7, 3 and 4 together is 7. It means here exactly we have 7 from here to here. From here to here exactly we have 7, but already 2 is here, so 7 minus 2 is 5. Here we have 5. Okay, so here 3 is exactly equal to this, opposite to this line, so this is 3. It means 5 minus 3 is 2. Here we have 2. Okay, is that 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7? Yes, completely this line, this splitting line is forming 7. Okay, if we are starting from here to here, here is it completely 5, but till here this is 7. If we are doing the part of the line in the fourth number rectangle, we have 3 centimeter, but in the third number rectangle we have 2 centimeter. This 2 centimeter is equal to opposite of this, so here we have 2. And what is here? From here to here, what we have? From here to here we have, you can simply see this line is completely equal to 1, and here it is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, only 1 this side is remaining, so you can completely see here we have 4. Okay, if we are moving from here, here we have 4, but here we have 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. It means here we have 1 meter and here we have 1 meter. And in the first one, if this side is 3, so this side is also 3. You can simply see, is it 3 plus 1 is 4? Yes, 3 and 1 together forming is 4. So you can simply see this is the form of rectangle, but question is telling us to split the figure into rectangle, but when we are splitting it, we get it as a from the square. Okay, so in the first one we will take out the area of square, which is area of square is side into side. So in the first one, side is 3, so 3 will multiply by 3, which is 9 centimeter square. Now the second is square. Same for the second, area of rectangle. Now we will see only second rectangle, which is length into breadth. Second rectangle completely length is 7th and the breadth is 1. So 1 is 7 centimeter square. Now we will see third one. Here the same is area of rectangle is length into breadth. In the third one, length only we will see third one. In the third one, length is 3 and the breadth is 2. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter square. And the last, fourth is area of rectangle is length into breadth. In the fourth one, simply we will see only fourth one. Length is 3 and breadth is 2. 3 into 2 is 6 centimeter square. So that the total area of figure is 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 is 28 centimeter square. Now we will see next one. B is here we have the figure. Same figure we have to split into the rectangles. So from here, firstly we can split. You can split by your choice. Okay, if here is 1 centimeter, so when we go upside, again we have 1 centimeter. Here is 2, it means here we also have 2. Okay, now you can see simply, if this is 2, so same equal side is there, so this will be also 2 and here it will be also 2. So out of 3, 2 is there. It means upper side 3 minus 2 will be here. Here we have 1. Okay, so is it 2 plus 1 is 3? Yes, 2 plus 1 is 3. And if here is 1, so this side is just opposite of 1. So this side is also 1 centimeter. And simply you can see this is 1. So this will be also 1. So 3 plus 1 is it 5? Yes, is it 5? So firstly I am putting it as a first rectangle. This is second and this is third. Okay, simply same that we did in the first part, same we will do here. Area of rectangle of first one, same length into breadth. Here length is 5 and the breadth is 1. Okay, so 5 1 is 5 centimeter square. Second one is exactly same as previous, area of rectangle. Same formula, length into breadth, but in the second one length is 2 and the breadth is 1. So 2 1 is 2 centimeter square. Now the third one, area of rectangle. Okay, same length into breadth. Here the length is 2 and the breadth is 1. So 2 1 is 2 centimeter square. So total area of figure, total area of given figure is 5 plus 2 plus 2. So what it will give us? It will give us 9 centimeter square will be the total area of the figure. Now question number 11 is split the following shapes into rectangles and find the areas. Okay, same as the previous question we have to do here. Here we have A, which is in the shape of L. This we have to split. Okay, here we can split from here, okay, or from here. From any side we can split this figure, but into the form of exactly rectangles. Okay, so firstly I am splitting from here. If this is 8, so here is 8. Out of 10, 8 is here. It means remaining 2 is here. Okay. And if this is 2, so this is exactly 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So completely from here to here, completely it is 12. If this is first rectangle and this is second rectangle, we will take out their areas. First one, area of rectangle is length into breadth. In the first one, length is 12 and the breadth is 2. So 12 twos are 24. Now we will take out for second one. For the second one, same as previous, area of rectangle is length into breadth. In the second one, length is 8 and breadth is 2. Okay, and 8 twos are 16. Okay, so total area is 24 plus 16 is 14 centimeter square, because they already given us that the measures are given in centimeter. So these areas are also in the centimeters. B is, here we have plus sign symbol, each side is having 7 centimeter each. So it can be split from here, and they all, when splitting from their corner, they are given us first, second, third, and this is fourth and this is fifth square. Okay, so its opposite side is 7, its opposite side is 7, its opposite side is 7, its opposite side is 7. You can see all the side of the figure is 7 centimeter each. All the squares are having 7 centimeter each side of the square. So if we are taking the first area of the square, okay, simply area of first square, okay, is side into side. Side is 7 and next side is also 7. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, each square is having equal length of side. Okay, we seen each and every side of the square are equal. So total area, what we are doing, total area of figure is multiply by 5. How many they are? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is multiplying by area of 1 square. Area of 1 square we seen, which is 49, and when we multiply 49 by 5, we will get 245 centimeter square, the total area of the square. Here is not necessary to take out each and every square area. Directly we can take out, because each square is having same equal length of the side. Okay, now the C is here. This is T-shaped figure. This is can be split from here. If this is 1, so here is 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 exactly 5. Okay, now if this is first, so this is second rectangle. So here for the first one, area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. In the first one, length is 5 and the breadth is 1. So 5 1 is 5 centimeter square. Same we will do for the second one. Second one is also area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here the length is 4 and the breadth is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4 centimeter square. So total area is 5 plus 4, which is exactly equal to 9 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 12 is, how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively. So what we have to fit inside the rectangular region? We have to fit tiles, and the area of tiles by given us length and breadth. Length is 12 cm and breadth of the tiles is 5 cm. Okay. These tiles we have to fit inside the rectangular region. So firstly we will take out the area of the thing that we have to fit. Okay. What we have to fit? We have to fit tiles. So area of one tile is length into breadth. Okay. Length of the tile is 12 cm and the breadth is 5 cm. So 12 5s are 60 centimeter square is the area of one tile. Okay. This 6 centimeter square is the area of one tile. Okay. Now the A is given us the rectangular region length and breadth. So if we have the first region whose length is 100 centimeter and the breadth is 144 centimeter. This is the measures of the rectangular region. Okay. So for the area of rectangular region, here length into breadth, and the length is 100 and the breadth is 144. When you multiply 144 by 100, you will get this 14,400 centimeter square. But in this rectangular region we have to fit the tiles. So number of tile, how many tiles will fit inside this rectangular region? So area of rectangular region will be dividing by area of tile, for getting number of tiles which can be fit inside the rectangular region. The area of rectangular region is 14,400 and the area of one tile is 60 centimeter square, and this is also in centimeter square. From centimeter square to centimeter square is cut, and from last zero to last zero cut. When you simply divide 1440 by 6, so 6 2s are 12, 14 minus 12 is 2, 4 will be downside, 6 4s are 24. Okay, and at the end we have 0, so upside also 0 will come. So how many total number of tile that is needed is 240 tiles for the region 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter of length and breadth. The second is 70 centimeter and 30 centimeter. This is exactly same as A, that is area of rectangular region is length into breadth. Length is 70 centimeter and the breadth is 36. When you multiply them each other, so you will get 2520 centimeter square. Now we have to take out the number of tiles. For that, area of region will divide by area of tile. Area of region for the B1 is 2520 and the area of tile is 60, that we take out in the beginning of the question, which is 60. For that, centimeter square will cut centimeter square, last 0 will cut last 0, and 252 will divide by 6 and we can get 42. So 42 tiles are needed for the second region. So here we completed our exercise with chapter.